Hello and hi everyone, welcome to Coursit and I am Aditya, and today I will tell you the top 5 Windows shortcut that are very useful in day-to-day life. So let's start. So basically the first shortcut is Control plus A and it stands at number 5. So let me show you. So the first thing is its purpose. Its purpose is to select all the content available in an active window. Okay, for example, suppose in a Word document there's some rubbish like some nonsense and you want to delete it. So instead of keep pressing backspace, there is one way. Like in this, you have to select everything which is available in this window. So for that you will press Ctrl plus A, and after that it will show you some highlighted thing, and then when you press backspace it will delete everything. So it was very useful. And one another example is like suppose in File Explorer, in some random folder there are some files, okay, which aren't of use. They are just taking some space like 59 KB, 59 KB and 7 KB. So you want to delete them all, so you can press Ctrl plus A, which would select all of them, and then press delete, and there you go. So the next shortcut is Ctrl plus backspace and it stands at number 4. So let me show you its practical use. So suppose you want to delete a word in any statement like I like teaching and teaching and. So there is and of no use, so what you will do is press backspace and backspace, but instead of that you can press Ctrl plus backspace and it would delete the whole word. Wasn't it useful? So the next shortcut is Windows plus Shift plus S. I believe this is one of the most useful shortcut, but still I have ranked it at 3. Let's see why. So the purpose of this shortcut is to open the snipping tool for taking screenshots. Okay, you can take the screenshot of the whole page or even of a particular region. So like I need to take the screenshot that this folder is empty, so I will press Windows plus Shift plus S, and then I will have this. So here we have options of taking picture, a snip, or recording a video. So you can use this recording a video feature for your YouTube content creation, etc., and this camera button for just taking a screenshot. So like I can select a specific region or even the full screen. It's very useful, just try using it. At 2 we have Windows plus Control plus T. It creates a new virtual desktop perfect for multitasking. So suppose you are working, okay, you are doing some personal work and some professional work like your office work. So you want to separate all those work, so you can do your personal work in this tab and your professional work in another virtual desktop. So like this, I'll show you Windows plus Control plus D, and here you have desktop 2. Okay, so if you want to switch to desktop 1, you can press Windows plus Control plus left and right. Okay, they are just navigation buttons. The last and the best is speech to text converter. It's a by default Microsoft feature which many of us aren't aware. So let me show you. Suppose in Word you have to type something, but you don't want to use your fingers or your keyboard for typing. So what you'll do is you'll press Windows plus H and it would open your speech to text. Okay, so let me try it. Windows plus H. Okay, so you can see that whatever I will say now would be converted to text. Yeah, you see the output. You can close it anytime, like pause it, it's mic. Okay, so this feature is at 1 because it saves your energy and it increases your productivity. So thank you for watching my video, and please like, share and subscribe it.